Once you have taken a lot of photos, you may have them saved in a folder on your desktop. For example, here's a folder that I have with photos in it. What you're going to have to do is make sure that you upload your photos to Photoshop and edit them. You can also edit them at Picnic, PhotoFlexer, or somewhere else, but they have to end up in Photoshop. So I'm going to open Photoshop. And sign in. Then I'm going to upload the photos that I have to either edit them here, or ones that I have edited elsewhere, I can upload them here. Sometimes it takes a few minutes for your photos to upload. Okay, now you have your photos all uploaded. You can make your album public, you can view it, you can go in and edit your album. So here's the pictures that I just uploaded. And what I'm going to end up having to do is create an album for this project. So I'm going to go to my library, which opens up this new window, because the album for this project is going to be embedded in your blog at Blogger. So here's the album that I just made, and let's say I need a new album. I'm just going to press the plus button next to albums, and then I would name that album whatever you decided your project category for the week is. So it could be open. You're going to make sure that this item is shared, and then create it. Now I can go into my library of photos and choose the photos that I want to move into my final album. Alright, so I want this picture to go into my open category album, this one, just dragging them over, and this one. Okay, I'm going to pretend that I have already edited these and they're all ready to go. So once I have this album completely created, then I have to put it on my blog. So I would click on this Share Album button, and underneath the picture, the preview picture, there's a circle with two arrows, and you click on it and it will bring up an embed code. This is what you're going to copy. And now I'm able to go to Blogger and embed my album as a little slideshow. So I'm going to go to my blog. And I just signed in through my Gmail and then clicked on Blogger. I'm going to go into my blog and I'm going to start a new post. in this post, I'm going to title it Photo Blog #1, and then colon, and then my category is open jewelry photos. And then I'm going to put an explanation of what I chose and why. I'm going to put a description of my pictures and tell a little about the process of taking the pictures, editing them, and talk about your favorites. And then once I get that part written, then it's time for me to put in the actual slideshow. So I'm going to click right here where it says HTML. I'm going to go to the end of where the writing is, and I'm just going to edit paste all that code. If you go back to compose, then you can see that your slideshow is embedded, and then you publish it. And then if I go to view blog, I will see photo blog #1, has a title, has the explanation of what I chose and so forth, and it has an embedded slideshow of my photos. So that is what I'm expecting on the end of the week.